Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Minecraft launcher is not working or not opening problem. Let's fix it guys. Before moving on to the video guys, don't forget to leave a like. First, right click on the start icon, select run. In run window you just need to type app data, click on OK. Now double click on the roaming and now double click on the Minecraft. And in here you just need to search for launcher profile, right click on it and select deleted guys. Don't worry of deleting it guys, Minecraft will automatically create this file again when we open Minecraft. After deleting it, close out of here. Now open Minecraft and check your problem solved or not. If you're still having a problem, this might be that there is something wrong with the files in Minecraft and we can use a Windows tool to fix that guys. For that, right click on the start icon, select installed apps. You just need to search for Minecraft. Click on the three dot icon over here and select advanced option. You just need to scroll down. If this app isn't working right, we can try to repair it. The app data won't it be affected. Click on repair and repair it guys. After getting repair done, open the Minecraft and check your problem solved or not. If doesn't work for you, then we can try reset it guys. If this app isn't working right, reset it, the app data will be deleted. Click on reset and reset it guys. And now go back to installed apps. Now search for gaming service. Click on the three dot icon over here and select advanced option. Scroll down, click on the repair option and repair it guys. After getting repair done, close it off here. Now open the Minecraft launcher and check your problem solved or not. If nothing works for you, then uninstall Minecraft and reinstall it can fix the problem guys. To do this, go to search menu and type Minecraft. Click on uninstall and uninstall it guys. After that, go to store. Now search for Minecraft. Scroll down, click on the Minecraft launcher and click on the get option and get it guys. After the reinstallation finished, you can open Minecraft and check your problem solved or not. I hope one of the solution fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.